it's MelodEllie here.
Oh my god, MelodEllie.
And we're in the Hard Rock Cafe because we're super trendy.
Hi guys, it's MelodEllie here, and I'm here at the Hard Rock Cafe with my bae, with my bae Holly, MelodEllie, and then Kieran and Harriet and Peeps. The Peeps are near us. And the Peeps. The squad is. Oh my god, I got Jimi Hendrix in the back. There you go, there you go. If you enjoy this, you know, just give us a like, subscribe maybe, you know, I need all the help.
We're all here with our bacon cheeseburgers, and there's Harriet with a normal one.
Yeah, you squeeze that, Holly.
Are you gonna sign out?
No. Bye guys, MelodEllie. Oh, MelodEllie.
Maybe I don't want to end yet. Why are we filming the video? Yeah, it's currently video. Probably want me to tell you.
No, you don't have to.
She has practically tonsillitis.
Hi, Ellie, it's Bonnie here. I just want to say happy birthday to you. Like, you're just behind us, so I'm talking really quietly. But we want to say happy birthday. You're like our bestest friend, and we love you so much. Bye, Ellie.
Bye, Ellie.
This is the Bonnie and Holly takeover! Damn.
Can we please stop being white girls?
No, I just got the most amazing mocha.
Are you recommending
from this place?
If you're in
if you-
Krakow, go to Coffee Heaven. Slide it into your DMs, like. What you guys actually do? You actually just slide it. Hashtag vlogging.
Happy birthday, Ellie!
Happy birthday! Whoa, was that lightning? That can't be lightning.
No, I want to vlog. I'm vlogging! This is the Bonnie and Holly and Kieran takeovers. Woo!
Okay, I'm taking over now.
No, I'm taking over. Right, guys.
Bonnie, I might not have that much memory left.
Fine, you've got a little bit. Bye! Oh.
Bonnie just wanted to vlog this cute lift.
Sorry, I'm cute. Oh, this gets fast. Whoa. Everyone, you should look at this amazing view.
It is amazing. It's apparently one of the most beautiful squares in the world.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, it is pretty beautiful.
There you go. You got it that time.
I've got it.
You got it that time. Well done.
Hello, random people I'm filming. So, guys, MelodEllie, tell us where we're going. We're almost got.
We're going back to wherever we're meant to be meeting everyone.
I don't think we're meant to be meeting until like ages because no one's there. We've just lost Kieran.
We've just lost a squad member.
Oh,
We have no idea what
damn it.
He was our henchman, so just in case we got mugged.
In case we got mugged.
Yeah!
You're getting good at this, Alan.
Go for the old. Ready?
Oh.
Snap!
What's happening now, guys?
They're
They're getting me a birthday present.
Ellie,
You paid for some.
bought a box. And
bought a
inside. Wait, how inside the box is another box.
Whoa.
And this
Whoa.
box plays music.
Whoa! Hold on.
Wait.
That's so cute. Jesus Christ!
Oh my god.
You guys.
Around the whole of
Where were you?
Up the top of that.
We were at McDonald's the way up there.
What did you get, Ryan?
I got a Poland.
Oh, that's so sad. Hold on.
And to the voice get the most ridiculous.
That's so cool, Ryan. Your face.
I'm wet.
I can tell.
Probably should have bought a coat.
You probably should have brought a coat, but you know, you learn.
They didn't, and they got soaked.
I love your hair at the minute, Alice. It's great. Happy birthday! Oh my god! Whoa, Callum! Whoa, Callum! You got
Bruh!
Whoa! They just bought it for me. They're so nice.
Anything to say to the internet, Joseph?
Bit wet.